Hello. Okay, so good evening. Please let's look at how to create overloading in C++. So look at this example. So we have int, then we have the function name, numbers, and we have the first parameter, int a, comma, then int b, then we come here, the return type, the return is a plus b. So this is one function. Okay? The first one, we are using integer data type. The next function, the data type is double, but the function name is numbers. So we are repeating the function names, but the argument, the parameters here are double C, then double D. Then we return C plus D. So we have two functions. All of them are using the same function name. So numbers. But here the date is only the data type that is different. But when we come here, if you come to the main function, so we have int, then variable A, variable B, then sum. Then sum assigned to numbers, so that's the first function, numbers, then the argument 2, comma 3. So for this function, we are using what? Integers. Then we print the C out. Then we come to the second argument. So we have double C, comma D, comma then sum 2. So then we write sum 2 assigned to here to, we are using the same function names, numbers. But here the argument, because they are double, or because we are using double, so the argument, the first one is 3.7, comma, then 6.9. Then we want to print it, so we print using sum 2. So when we run it, so look at the output. So look at the output. So the first one that we use the int 2 and 3, so to give us 5. Then the second one that we use the double. We use the double 3.7 and 6.9. We have gotten what? 10.6. But we are using the same function names. So in C++, where we use the same function names, but they do different things, so we call it what? Overloading, or function overload. So this is one example. Thank you.